Today I'm going to be making a super easy peanut butter fudge, and we're just going to use 4 ingredients. A half a cup of regular milk, 2 cups of regular white sugar, this is granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 4 simple ingredients, let's get started. So I'm going to take my milk and get that right into my pot. Take all of my sugar and get that right in there. And what I want to do at this time right here is I want to get this up to a nice simmer. So I'm going to first mix this around. I put my milk in first and then my sugar. I don't want anything to burn. Just want to get this all nicely combined. And I want to bring this up where it's boiling. And as soon as it starts boiling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a timer on for 2.5 minutes. So I want to actually boil this for 2.5 minutes. And I will time this step. So at this point here, I'm going to let it go. I'll come back just before it starts to boil. Alright, this just started to bubble up like this. This is exactly what I'm looking for. I just want to make sure that it's nicely bubbling. Okay? At this point here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set my timer for 2.5 minutes. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay? So I've got this on number 1 here, but I've got enough bubbling going on, and at this point I don't want to whisk or anything like that. I'm just going to let it go for 2.5 minutes. So when the 2.5 minutes are up, I'll come back. And I am using a timer. Alright, that was exactly 2.5 minutes. I'm going to turn my heat right off. There's a lot of heat left in here right now. I'm going to pour in my vanilla. Just get that stirred in. It's very, very hot. Just like that. And then all of my peanut butter. I'll just get all of that in right now. So my element is off right now. There we go. Grab my whisk, and now I'm just going to whisk this in. Just whisk, whisk, whisk. Doesn't matter if it still stays on the element, as long as your element is off. And just keep whisking. The heat of all of the sugar and the milk has completely dissolved all of that peanut butter now. You can see how good that looks. I just want to make sure that it's well incorporated. And that is perfect. I'm going to move my element over. I've got a 9x9 pan here lined with parchment paper. And I'm going to just pour this right in here. And there we go. You can already see that this is starting to harden a little bit. Just going to give it a little bit of a shake. And there we go. At this point right now, I'm just going to let this cool. Now you can either take this, put it into your fridge, or you can just let it cool at room temperature for a few hours. So I'm going to let this cool and then I'll come back. Alright, I'm back. This is a couple hours later. I actually put the nice peanut butter fudge into the fridge just to chill down. I'm going to remove my little pins here, these little clips. There we go. And with the magic of the parchment, this should just pop right out. And there we go. No mess, nice. Easy cleanup. You just give that a nice rinse and you're done. And there we have our beautiful peanut butter fudge. So right now you can see this is quite hard because I did just take it out of the fridge. Listen. So what I'll do is I'm just going to cut a little piece of this. And I'll show you how it cuts. Look at that. Really, really nice. I can just break this apart just like that. Really, really nice. If you're going to clean it up for presentation, you want to, actually do the cuts. But you can see how nice this is. Now, obviously, this is really, really thin. If you want to have this thicker, you can either double the recipe or just use a smaller container when you actually put it in there. You could use any size container you wish. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Alright, I've just zoomed in a little bit and I'll just show you how nice this fudge is. Really, really nice. Just melts right in your mouth. Really, really, really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it out. If you do, please leave me some feedback on my channel. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time. Oh, that is good.
And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.